Our planet Earth is a world of wonders. Many of these wonders are high above us. Think of the tallest mountains reaching for the sky. But some of the greatest wonders lie hidden. They are found deep beneath the waves of our vast oceans. The Mariana Trench is one such place, a truly remarkable feature. It is located in the western Pacific Ocean, a remote and mysterious part of our world. It is a long, narrow scar on the ocean floor. This scar plunges deeper than any other place on Earth. It is a world of extreme conditions waiting to be understood. The trench is incredibly deep. Imagine the deepest canyon you have ever seen. Now, imagine it many, many times deeper. The deepest part of the Mariana Trench is called the Challenger Deep. It is a specific spot at the southern end of the trench. Its depth is almost 11,000 meters or nearly 7 miles straight down. This is a staggering distance, difficult for our minds to truly grasp. The pressure here is immense, over 1,000 times greater than at sea level. It is a place of crushing force and perpetual darkness, a truly alien environment. To understand this depth, let us compare it to something familiar. Mount Everest is the highest mountain on our planet. It stands tall and proud, reaching over 8,848 meters above sea level. If we could take Mount Everest and place it into the Challenger Deep, its peak would still be underwater. There would still be more than 2 kilometers of water above its summit. This shows just how incredibly deep the Mariana Trench truly is. It is a colossal chasm, dwarfing even the mightiest mountains on land. It is a testament to the powerful forces that shape our planet. How did such a deep place form? The Mariana Trench is a result of plate tectonics. Our Earth's surface is made of huge moving pieces called tectonic plates. These plates are constantly, slowly shifting. In this part of the Pacific, one massive plate, the Pacific Plate, is moving. It is slowly sliding underneath another plate, the smaller Mariana Plate. This process is called subduction. As the Pacific Plate dives down, it creates this incredibly deep trench. It is a dynamic process, a reminder that our planet is always changing, always evolving. Exploring the Mariana Trench is an enormous challenge. The conditions are incredibly hostile to human life and to machines. The main challenge is the immense water pressure. At the bottom of the Challenger Deep, the pressure is over 1,000 times what we experience on the surface. This pressure would crush a normal submarine instantly like a tin can. Then there is the complete darkness. Sunlight cannot penetrate these depths. It is a world of eternal night. And finally, the water is freezing cold, just above freezing point, making it a harsh environment. To overcome these challenges, scientists and engineers have designed special vehicles. These are not ordinary submarines. They are called deep-sea submersibles. These submersibles are built with incredibly strong materials, like thick titanium alloys. Their hulls are often spherical. This shape helps to distribute the immense pressure evenly. They have powerful lights to illuminate the darkness. They also carry sophisticated scientific instruments. These instruments allow scientists to collect samples and make observations. These vehicles are our eyes and ears in this remote world. The first humans to reach the Challenger Deep were Jacques Piccard and Don Walsh. They made this historic journey in 1960. They traveled in a submersible called the Trieste. It was a remarkable feat of engineering and bravery. Since then, only a few other people have visited these depths. More recently, filmmaker and explorer James Cameron made a solo dive in 2012. He used a submersible called the Deep Sea Challenger. Unmanned robotic vehicles, known as ROVs or remotely operated vehicles, are also crucial. They can stay down longer and explore more widely without risking human lives. These ROVs and autonomous underwater vehicles, or AUVs, are vital tools. They are connected to ships on the surface by long tethers or operate independently. They carry cameras, lights, and robotic arms. These arms can collect samples of rock, sediment, and even living creatures. They can also deploy sensors to measure temperature, pressure, and chemical composition of the water. The data they gather is sent back to scientists. This helps us piece together the puzzle of what this deep environment is truly like. Each mission brings back new information from this largely unexplored frontier. One might think that such a dark, cold, and high-pressure place would be lifeless. But that is not the case. Life finds a way, even in the most extreme environments on Earth. The Mariana Trench is home to a surprising variety of creatures. These animals have evolved incredible adaptations. These adaptations allow them to survive and thrive in these harsh conditions. They are unlike anything we see in shallower waters or on land. They are a testament to the adaptability of life. Exploring their world reveals fascinating biological secrets. Many creatures here are masters of bioluminescence. This means they can produce their own light. In the total darkness, this light can be used for many things. It can be used to attract prey, like a lure. The famous anglerfish does this with a glowing appendage. Light can also be used to startle predators or to find a mate. Imagine a world lit only by these living lights, flashing and glowing in the abyss. Other creatures are very pale or even transparent. This might help them avoid being seen in the faint light produced by other organisms. One of the most fascinating creatures found in the Challenger Deep is the Mariana snailfish. It is a small, tadpole-like fish. It holds the record for the deepest living fish ever recorded. It seems to thrive under the crushing pressure. Scientists are studying how its body can withstand such forces. There are also tiny crustaceans called amphipods. These are surprisingly abundant, scavenging for food that drifts down from above. Many creatures here are very soft-bodied. This is because rigid skeletons might not cope well with the extreme pressure changes if they moved up or down. The ecosystem in the deepest parts of the trench is not based on sunlight. Photosynthesis, the process plants use, is impossible here. Instead, the food web often relies on marine snow. This is a continuous shower of organic debris. It drifts down from the upper layers of the ocean. It includes dead plankton, fecal matter, and other particles. Some bacteria in the trench also use chemosynthesis. They get energy from chemical reactions, using substances like methane or sulfur. These bacteria form the base of unique food chains, supporting a hidden world of life. The Mariana Trench is not just a deep hole in the ocean. It is a place of immense scientific importance. Studying the trench helps us understand the geology of our planet. It is a prime example of a subduction zone. These zones are where tectonic plates meet and one dives beneath the other. This process is responsible for many earthquakes and volcanic activity around the Pacific Rim. By studying the trench, scientists can learn more about these powerful geological forces. This knowledge can help us better understand and perhaps even predict such natural events. The trench also plays a crucial role in ocean chemistry and the global carbon cycle. Oceans absorb a vast amount of carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. Some of this carbon, in the form of organic matter, sinks into the deep ocean. Trenches like the Mariana might act as significant traps for this carbon. What happens to this carbon at such depths is an active area of research. Understanding these processes is vital. It helps us comprehend how the ocean influences our planet's climate. The deep sea is a critical yet poorly understood part of Earth's climate system. Despite several expeditions, the Mariana Trench remains one of the least explored places on Earth. We have better maps of the surface of Mars than we do of the deepest parts of our own oceans. Every dive, every sample collected, has the potential for new discoveries. Scientists regularly find new species of animals. They uncover new geological features. They learn more about the unique chemical and biological processes happening there. There is so much still to learn about the conditions, the life forms, and the very workings of this extreme environment. It is a frontier for human knowledge. In conclusion, the Mariana Trench is a place of profound mystery and significance. It is the deepest point on our planet, a world of crushing pressure and eternal night. Yet life thrives there in remarkable ways. Exploring it pushes the boundaries of our technology and our understanding. The trench holds vital clues about Earth's geology, its oceans, and the very nature of life itself. As we continue to send our robotic explorers and brave human voyagers into this abyss, we are sure to uncover even more secrets. The Mariana Trench reminds us that our world is full of wonders, many still waiting to be discovered.